Now, there's a smoke alarm here too, and you know, I could take that off, and I might look at that and see what I can do with that, or you can cut it in, okay? But since I'm right here, maybe I can look at that real quick. Boy, you're getting your money's worth with this one, I tell you. Never know what Joe's gonna do next year. Okay, it's has a battery here, and it's probably hardwired in, so I'm gonna see if it is or not. And this should, wow, okay, it should screw off, but I'm looking, haha, that scared me. I'm looking on the side, it looks like there's a little thing there, okay. Look at that. You see that? And there's wires here, and I know that's hardwired into the home. So there's also a battery backup here, and it's hardwired. And there's a little connector there, and I think I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to hang on to this. You see how it's connected there? I'm just going to have to see if I can gently tweak that back and forth, okay? Look and see how that is, and I can gently push that up there. There's two set screws right here that mounts this. Now I can unscrew that a little bit. I guess I better go get a screwdriver and I'll show you that. Be right back. I got two mounting screws here, and I'm just going to loosen that up. And try to remember how you put things, how you take things apart, so you'll know how to put them back together, okay? Now this just needed a little oomph there, because when they put this on, your ceiling might have been slightly wet, and you know, with the paint drying, and you just kind of slide this into place. You kind of take a look at that, see how it works before you take it off, so you know how to put it back on, okay? Now I can just slide that over. See, I don't have to take the screws out because there's a bigger hole in the plate. Voila, just take the plate off. Okay? I can leave that pushed in there just like that. I can leave that just like that. You see how much easier that's going to be? Didn't take me but a few minutes to take that off. Now I can paint that with the paint roller, and I don't have to get up here and cut that in. You think you can cut stuff in and you get going and you start getting paint all over the place, then you got to wipe it off or you leave it, and when you get all done somebody says, oh yeah, I can see you painted it yourself. Oh yeah, that looks like crap. You got it all over your trim up there. You didn't pay attention what you were doing. You didn't wipe it off. Yeah, I'm not going to have you do my paint. Forget that.